can make 1,000 US dollars monthly as a chat moderator. What I mean, you can make money online this 2024 using your smartphone, and this money is clean. You don't need to deposit anything. When we talk about a chat moderator, we mean someone who is going to stand in on behalf of a company, on behalf of a project, on behalf of a channel, or on behalf of a social media platform. We mean someone who's going to say, I'm chatting, I'm answering queries, I'm talking on behalf of another person. That one is called a chat moderator. What you need to have just your smartphone, you need to have internet, and you need to have a right site. Thank you for being on Immaculate Show channel. This is Christine on Immaculate Shona. As usual, we are going to be taking you on a journey of 2024 online, how to make money 1,000 monthly and above as a chat moderator. Are you looking to make a way? Are you looking to make a way to $1,000 and above? Are you looking also for a way to make this money monthly from the comfort of your home, from the comfort of your or whatever? Are you in a car going somewhere, or you at the beach? You've gone for vacation. This video, in this video, really, I'll show you how to earn consistent income working as a chat moderator. Whether you're already familiar with online gigs or you're starting out today, chat moderation is one of the easiest ways to get paid to help you manage conversations in real time. Whether you're really familiar, because there are some people who say, no, I can't do this, no, it's a scam, or it's one, or in one or the other, you have doubts. Please, I want you to reach real near and see how can a chat moderation or how can chat gigs make you manage to get your money. We are talking about 1,000, but you can think about 2,000, 3,000 and above. If you have, or if you have got good communication skills and love engaging with others online, this could be the perfect side hustle for you. This one I really dedicated to my online friends, especially on Facebook, who are very good at answering in comments, who are very good at writing comments, good and bad. But this time, you're going to be doing this change on behalf of somebody. So you have to make sure that you have very good communication skills, which is healthy and respectful. Plus, you don't need a degree really. That's why I love this. You don't need a specialized training to start earning on this. Make sure to stick around with me. By the end of this video, you'll have gotten the tips on how to maximize your earnings and find the best opportunities. Don't forget to hit the like, the button, and even to put that bell such that you can be told, you can be notified when we come live or when we upload any video. So let's dive in and see exactly how we can make money in this 2024 and beyond online using chat moderation. But before we go very far, you guys, what is chat moderation? Or what is a chat moderator? First of all, what exactly is a chat moderator? What do you know about it? If you know this, just go to the comment section and tell us what you think about. Chat moderators help manage online communities. They help manage online forums. They help manage live streams or even social media platforms by monitoring conversation, answering questions, and making sure that the chat remains respectful and on topic. You know, we have gotten a lot now, this period, we have gotten a lot of conversation that they go overboard. So a chat moderator is here to put you in order. You often find these positions available for customer services and gaming communities, or even in larger online events. Your job is very simple, you guys. Don't twist it. You keep conversation flowing, you answer queries, you ensure that everyone follows the rules. It's an essential role for businesses and even for influencers who need to manage large audiences, but they don't have the time to handle all the chat themselves. In particular, even us as Immaculate Show, we have chat moderators. How much can you earn as a chat moderator? Now let's talk about the money. I know that's why we are here, and that's why the title tells us earning money as a chat moderator. How much can you actually make as a chat moderator? While pay rates can vary depending on the platforms and even on the individuals or companies, most chat moderation jobs often be between $10, $20 per hour. That means if you're working part-time, putting it around 10 to 15 hours per week, you can easily make 1,000 a month or more. So if you want to work more than these hours, more than 15 hours, you can earn as high as $5,000. Some platforms even offer more bonuses and even pay higher rates for more experienced moderators or those who manage large communities. So the more experienced you are or you gain, the more you can potentially earn. Guys, let's see where exactly. I know I'm delaying you. You should be right now thinking, how can I get these gigs? How can I get these opportunities to be a chat moderator? Let's see exactly the opportunities where to find them. We have gotten some popular sites, we have used them, we have even tested them, and even we have asked our friends who have used them how good they are and how better they are. So in this video or in this part, we're going to show you the website that you can go. We have 4 websites that you can go there and be a chat moderator and earn money around $1,000 and above if you're basically working 10 to 15 hours per week. So we talk about Mod Squad. Mod Squad is a platform or is a website, one of the leading platform for freelance moderation. They work with major brands and offer both part-time and full-time work. If you want on this, you can see how it is on our screenshot, or it is on screen recording. You can see how it is. What you do, I'm going to put the link in our description and even in our comment section. What you do, just go there and do this gig and apply. If you want me to do a video about it, the longer video, please write it in the comment section. The second one is the social element. Social Element is a great platform if you're interested in moderating social media channels for big companies. Please go to your browser, write there Social Element, like the way you can see still on our screen. You go and all this one, you have to make an account, you have to sign up. Then when you sign up, you follow the steps and make sure you get for yourself some dollars out of these platforms. Still the same, if you know you have used this platform, you can put it in the comment section. And if you haven't used it, please be free to write in the comment section one of the platform or one of the website that you want us to bring here in details, step by step. The third platform or website that I recommend you to go for as far as chat moderation and getting the 10 to $15 or $20 in per hour is Live World. Live World specializes in customer support chat moderation, making it a real deal if you have experience in customer services. I know most of us, we have experience in customer service. You know, it doesn't need a degree, it doesn't need masters, it doesn't need even training. So what you do, I want you to go to your browser, put Live World, follow the prompts, sign up, and make sure you apply for one. If you want me to do a detailed video about any of this, I want you to put it in the comment section. The last but not least about these websites is Crisp Thinking. This Crisp Thinking primarily focuses on monitoring online communities, gaming forums, and live chat rooms. This one, it puts law and order on these communities. As you can see on our screenshot, this is the right way you can go and find it. If you want a longer video about it, please put it in the comment section. Make sure to sign up on these platforms, all of them, and make sure you complete your profile and apply for the job that best fits your schedule, because our schedules are different. Me, I work 12 hours, so you can be working 3 hours depending on the job you do. So when you go to the platform, you will see your work schedule, you will see how your work schedule can really fit here. I'm not going to go very far without telling you about the best practices for you to maximize the money, for you to maximize these websites and get enough money. You have to work with multiple platforms. You people, we know how to do multi streaming. Multi streaming, we have to know to look for different ways of earning source of earning money. So what you do, don't rely on one site. Get 2 to 3 sites and work on them. You know, it takes it takes a bold brain to get different opportunities, and the more you get different opportunities, the more you increase your working hours, and at the same time the more you increase the money. And also these platforms, you can earn differently. If you're earning more on Mod Squad, you're earning $10. On the other squad, maybe live world you can find you earning $50. So you have to take chances of getting different platforms. The second one, you have to develop your own community skills. The better you are at handling chat conversation quickly and efficiently, the more you can stand out and potentially get higher paying gigs. Stay professional, guys. Don't be like these people I see always in comment section, like on some platforms that I'm not going to mention. They are there with unprofessional comments. Please stay professional. You are going to get a good judge. Be flexible with your work hours. Many platforms need moderators around their clock. If you're willing to work during peak hours or at night, you may be able to get a high paying job or even bonuses. You people are, after all this I've talked, there's another element that is very essential that everybody should understand and should be clear of. It's about withdrawing your earnings. Most of the chat moderation platforms, they have PayPal as the means of payments or other methods, but mostly it's PayPal. So if you don't have a PayPal account, you can go and sign up. And also, if you're in a country that is not enabling PayPal, you can use other methods like turning on VPN and switch on. Some of these platforms pay weekly, others pay bi-weekly, even others pay a month. So always check your schedule, especially for payments for each platform that you're going to sign up, and then learn to expect how much are they going to pay me, when and where. In conclusion, you guys, as I finish this video, let it not be long. Becoming a chat moderator is an easy way to earn. You can earn extra $1,000, $2,000, $5,000 in a month, all while working from home at the comfort of your chairs, when you're watching your TV, when you're enjoying your games. By joining multiple platforms, staying consistent, and building your skills, you can quickly see your earnings add up. Whether you're doing this as part-time or you're doing it as full-time, please keep your opportunities roaring by being faithful. Guys, Immaculate Show says, if you found this video helpful, if you know it has added something on you, please give it a thumbs up. Your like, your comment is very important for us. Don't forget, you guys, we bring here money making tips, and we always want you to be consistent. We always want you to show up, because if you don't show up, if you don't want to be consistent, these money making tips might not be helpful for you. So as you're getting started today, get to know that consistency is a key to everything. Thanks for watching, guys, and good luck with your chat moderation journey. See you in another video, but please, if you get a gig on this chat moderation, please don't hesitate to come here and be a witness by writing in a comment section how it is going for you. Thank you.